Hey everybody, Linus here. We talk a lot about CPUs, GPUs, RAM, and all that fancy hardware. These components are often the stars of the show, grabbing headlines and dominating tech discussions. But have you ever stopped to think about what really makes them tick? What is the invisible force that brings all these powerful components together, making them work in harmony? What lets you effortlessly switch between browsing the web, editing videos, and playing games? It's not just the hardware, there's something more at play here. That's the magic of an operating system. It's the software layer that bridges the gap between you and the hardware, making everything run smoothly. It's the unsung hero, working tirelessly behind the scenes. While you enjoy a seamless experience, the OS is managing resources, scheduling tasks, and ensuring everything runs without a hitch. You might not see it, but trust me, without it, your computer would be about as useful as a brick. Imagine trying to run your favorite game or edit a video without an OS. It would be chaos. So let's dive in and uncover what makes this piece of software so crucial. We'll explore its various components, how it interacts with hardware, and why it's indispensable. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of operating systems. From managing memory to handling input and output, the OS does it all. We're going to break down what an operating system actually is, how it functions, and why it's so important for your daily computing tasks. The heavy lifting it does, like managing CPU time, memory allocation, and even security protocols to keep your data safe, and how different operating systems stack up. We'll compare popular OS options like Windows, macOS, and Linux, and see what each brings to the table. By the end of this, you'll have a whole new appreciation for the software that powers your digital life. You'll understand the complexities and marvel at the ingenuity that goes into creating an OS. In the simplest terms, an operating system, or OS, is the bridge between you and your computer's hardware. It's the essential software that makes your computer usable, managing both the hardware and software resources. Think of it as the translator, interpreter, and manager all rolled into one. It translates your commands into actions that the hardware can understand, interprets the data coming from the hardware, and manages the overall system resources. You want to watch a video? The OS tells the hard drive to fetch the file, the processor to decode it, and the graphics card to display it. It coordinates these actions seamlessly, so you can enjoy your video without a hitch. Without an OS, you'd have to talk to the hardware directly, which would be like trying to speak fluent binary. Not exactly user-friendly, right? Imagine having to manually input binary code just to open a file or run a program. The OS takes care of all that complex, low-level stuff, letting you interact with your computer in a way that actually makes sense. It provides a user-friendly interface so you can easily navigate and perform tasks without needing to understand the intricate details of computer operations. It's the foundation on which all other software runs. Just like a building needs a solid foundation, your computer needs an OS to support all the applications and programs you use daily. Your web browser, your games, your video editor, they all rely on the OS to provide the resources and services they need to function. The OS allocates memory, processes tasks, and manages input and output operations, ensuring that each application runs smoothly. Basically, the OS is the boss, keeping everything running smoothly and making sure you can get things done. It handles multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications at once without any issues. Whether you're working on a project, browsing the internet, or playing a game, the OS ensures that your computer operates efficiently and effectively. Additionally, the OS provides security features to protect your data and privacy. It manages user accounts, controls access to files, and ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the system. Regular updates from the OS also help protect against new security threats and vulnerabilities. Modern operating systems also support a wide range of devices and technologies, from voice commands and virtual assistants to smart home devices. They are constantly evolving to meet the needs of users and to take advantage of new technological advancements. And when things go wrong, the OS provides tools and support to help you troubleshoot and resolve issues. Whether it's through built-in help features or online support, the OS is there to assist you in keeping your computer running smoothly. In summary, the operating system is the unsung hero of your computer, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure a seamless and enjoyable computing experience. It's the essential software that makes everything else possible, allowing you to focus on what you want to do rather than how to do it. Now let's talk about what the OS actually does. Imagine a busy restaurant orders flying in, chefs cooking, servers rushing around. That's your computer, and the OS is the manager making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. One of its main jobs is resource management. Your computer has a limited amount of processing power, memory, and storage space. The OS decides how to allocate these resources to different programs, ensuring that everything gets what it needs without crashing the whole system. It's a constant juggling act, but a good OS does it seamlessly. You can have multiple programs open, each demanding its share of resources, and your computer won't skip a beat. That's the power of a well-designed operating system. Let's break down one of the OS's key tasks: process management. A process is basically any program that's running on your computer. When you open a web browser, you create a process. Start typing a document, another process. You get the idea. The OS acts like an air traffic controller, managing all these processes, scheduling when they get to use the CPU, and preventing any one process from hogging all the resources. This ensures that your computer stays responsive, even when you have a ton of things going on. Imagine if you couldn't switch between programs until the current one was finished. That would be a nightmare. Thanks to the OS's process management, you can seamlessly jump between tasks, making multitasking a breeze. Section 5, Memory Management, efficiently allocating and managing system memory. Next up, we have memory management. RAM, or random access memory, is your computer's short-term memory. It's super fast, and the CPU uses it to store data it's actively working on. The OS is in charge of making sure that RAM is used efficiently. It allocates blocks of memory to different processes as needed, and keeps track of which parts of memory are free and which are in use. When a process is finished, the OS reclaims that memory, making it available for other programs. This constant shuffling of data ensures that your computer runs smoothly and that programs have access to the memory they need. Without efficient memory management, your computer would grind to a halt, unable to keep up with even basic tasks. Section 6. File System Management, organizing your digital world. Think about all the files you have on your computer: documents, pictures, music, videos, and more. It would be chaos if they were all just dumped in one giant folder, right? That's where the file system comes in. The OS uses a hierarchical structure of folders and files to organize everything, making it easy to find what you need. It also manages the storage space on your hard drive or SSD, keeping track of where files are stored and how much space is available. Whether you're saving a file, deleting a folder, or just browsing through your documents, the OS is working behind the scenes to keep your digital world organized and accessible. Section 7. Device Management, bridging the gap between hardware and software. Your computer is a complex ecosystem of hardware: CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, keyboard, mouse, monitor, network adapters. The list goes on. Each of these devices needs to communicate with the OS and with each other. That's where device drivers come in. These are small programs that act as translators, allowing the OS to interact with specific hardware components. The OS manages these drivers, ensuring that all your devices are working correctly. So, when you plug in a new printer, the OS recognizes it, installs the necessary driver, and boom, you're ready to print. This seamless integration of hardware and software is all thanks to the OS's device management capabilities. Section 8. User Interface, your gateway to the digital realm. Now, for the part you interact with directly, the user interface, or UI. This is the graphical environment you see on your screen with windows, icons, menus, and all the other elements that allow you to control your computer. The OS provides the framework for the UI, handling things like window management, input devices, and display settings. A good UI should be intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to interact with your computer efficiently. Whether you prefer the familiar layout of Windows, the sleek design of macOS, or the customizable nature of Linux, the UI is your gateway to the digital world, and the OS is the architect behind it. Section 9. Operating systems in action, real-world examples, and their significance. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's bring it all together with some real-world examples. Think about your smartphone. It runs on an OS too, like Android or iOS. These operating systems are tailored to provide a seamless user experience, offering a range of functionalities from basic calling and texting to advanced features like facial recognition and augmented reality. These mobile operating systems are designed for touchscreens and handle things like cellular connections and app management. They also manage resources efficiently to ensure your device runs smoothly, even when you're multitasking with multiple apps open. Or consider a web server hosting a website. These servers are the backbone of the internet, ensuring that websites are accessible to users around the globe 24/7. It likely runs on a server operating system like Linux, which is optimized for stability and performance. Linux is known for its robustness and security, making it a popular choice for servers that require high uptime and reliability. From your smartwatch to self-driving cars, operating systems are everywhere, quietly powering the technology we rely on. Smartwatches use specialized OSes to track your health metrics, notify you of messages, and even make calls. Self-driving cars, on the other hand, use complex operating systems to process vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring safe and efficient navigation. Operating systems are the unsung heroes of the tech world, making technology accessible and user-friendly. They manage hardware resources, provide a user interface, and enable software applications to run. Without them, our devices would be nothing more than inert pieces of hardware. They're the foundation upon which our digital lives are built, and their importance cannot be overstated. From cloud computing services that store our data to smart home devices that automate our daily tasks, operating systems are integral to modern life. So, next time you fire up your computer, take a moment to appreciate the complex and powerful software that makes it all possible. It's not just about turning on a device, it's about engaging with a sophisticated system that has been meticulously designed to enhance your digital experience.